Good day everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today doing a little bit of a run around. So I'm here at the President Ridge Bird Sanctuary. I'm gonna see what it has in store for me. I see the gate is open, so yeah, gonna go in and have a look, see what I can find. So I am in, and yeah, all I can say is this place is extremely beautiful. Some parts are very well kept, others are very bushy, which is what we need, but have a look. So this is the path that I'm on here. There's a couple of picnic tables and benches. But absolutely beautiful. Let's carry on and see what we get. Alrighty. So I've come to the end of this part of the trail. I'm going to make my way to the path up there and see what else I can see. Alright, so as you can see behind me, we've got the Cecil bird hide, and unfortunately it has been locked due to vandalism, but I mean, look at the view out here. Absolutely incredible. So I'm gonna sit here for a bit. See, there's a bench on the other side. Let's just walk here. So up here we have the bench, so I might just sit on this bench and take a very good look and see what I can see over this wetland, marshland, dam type of area. Yeah, so far there have been a lot of weavers, but yeah, looks like they're busy building nests, so that's at least a good thing. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated as to what else I find. Alright, so I've just been told by somebody that the water had a bit of a sewage leak in, so yeah, not too pleasant. I mean, there's no smell or anything, but the water does not look clean at all. But I'm sure with the first rains of spring, we will definitely be able to clean. It'll definitely be able to clean all of this gunk out of here. But yeah, so far I was there about 15-20 minutes ago, and I've just taken a slow walk all the way around, and yeah, still plenty to go and see. So yeah, let's get back to it. Sorry for any wind noise that does happen. I do apologize for that, but I'm here at a man-made bridge. As you can see here, not the levelest of bridges. It is a little bouncy, but yeah. As you can see here, the water is not very clean. It is slowly trickling through here. But loads and loads of big trees. Very, very awesome. A little bit of water on this side, and just look at this view. Absolutely awesome, incredible. It's right next to the road over there. So yeah, just keep walking around and seeing what I can see from this side. Alright, again, sorry for the wind noise. That's the bench I'm going to be sitting on, and it overlooks beautiful dam. Look at this guy, just swimming along. Loads of trees around. So yeah, just gonna sit here for a bit and see what I can see. I see there's another bench on the other side there, which is in the shade, and I think that's a little bit of a better option for me because it is kind of hot now. I just saw two giant catfish. They were about here and then they took off that way. Absolutely awesome to see. I think it might be breeding season for catfish as well. There's a couple of them. Alright, so I'm unable to get photos, but listen to that sound. If you know what bird is making that sound, comment below. Absolutely beautiful. Alrighty, so I left just to get something to drink. I think you'll be able to see it there. Yep, laka. But yeah, I'm back here now and very close to the bird hide, so I think I'm gonna sit here for a bit and see what I can see, and then yeah, just keep going around and see what else pops up. What are the new birds I didn't see the first time going around, and obviously as the sun starts going down, more and more birds will start popping up, so that's going to be awesome. I think this place closes at about 4 today, so yeah, I've just got to keep an eye on the time. So this guy here has been up and down diving and then coming back up and bringing sticks and leaves. There you go, there he goes. There he's back that side, there he goes again. So there he comes up. Alrighty. So let me just try and get to it. That is what he's busy building. I think it's his nesting spot. I'm not too sure, but he's been very busy. So I had a decent conversation with one of the people that stays in the flat, a young gentleman, and he's also an avid birder, so he spoke to me. We had a decent conversation lasting about 10-15 minutes, and he said I should watch out for the herons as well as the kingfishers. So I found a spot where he says is pretty good. They normally come out around about here between 3 and 4, so definitely going to keep my eye out for that. Then, to my surprise, right behind this bush here, these reeds here, there is a black-headed heron. So definitely awesome. I'm going to see if I can get a couple shots of that. And then this is the view that I've got. Obviously I can stand over here and get more of the dam that side, but this is my view. I'm just waiting for him to move, this black-headed heron. So yeah. Alright, there you can see black-headed heron. He ducks down to do something. So yeah, seems like it's a very, very good birding spot. I do apologize about the wind and the instability. I forgot my tripod at home. Didn't know I was going to be doing much videoing. So yeah, very, very awesome to be here. The yellow-billed ducks have eventually joined the party. Two of them. Sorry again about the shakiness. I just forgot my tripod. There we go. So there's the one. There's the other. Beautiful, beautiful birds. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so that's it for today. I just arrived home now, so yeah, I will definitely be starting to edit and sort out this video footage. And yeah, thanks for accompanying me today, and yeah, see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you all. Cheers.